Bet you didn't know that Canva can literally animate any of your pictures. Turn your still images into animated video with just one click. Yes, you heard that right, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do that. So let's get started. First things first, you'll have to head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in case you're not logged in or don't have an account. Then you land somewhere over here where you need to sign up and start designing. So click on this button, use either your phone number, Google account, or email to sign up. I'm simply going to use my Google account. Click on that, choose the account that you're working with, click on continue button, and then it will ask you a few onboarding questions like what are you planning to do with Canva. So I'm just going to use it for personal projects. Select that, and after that it will ask whether or not you want a pro subscription. In case you are planning to use it for different things, then you can go right ahead, try it for 7 days, or else you can simply skip by clicking on this button right here. And lastly, it will ask if you agree on sharing your content with Canva for AI training, etc. In case you are using Canva for confidential companies and designing, then you can turn off this from over here. And in case you don't know whether or not it's turned on, I'll show you how you can check it out in the settings and turn it off. So once you do that, simply click on got it and you'll be inside the template page. Now, what we need to do is first of all create a new video inside our canvas. So click on create button in your sidebar and it will open up this window which will ask you to select the design that you're trying to create. So scroll to the videos tab. In here you'll have a few different options of different video types. Like you can use the Instagram reel format. It will give you the size of the video right below the name as soon as you hover over it. So you can choose an aspect ratio according to what you are trying to create. Right now I'm just going to use a landscape video which will open up this canvas right here. From here onwards, it's pretty simple and smooth sailing. First of all, you'll need an image that you want to animate. So I've got this image right here, which I'll be using to show you how the picture is turned into an animation. Back in our Canva, all you need to do is click on this apps option in your sidebar, head to the apps section, and in the search bar, search for image animate, and then you'll find this app right here. Click on that, click on open, and here's where you upload the image that you want to animate. Simply click on choose files, upload the image. Then you can describe the video or the animation that you're looking for. Like here, let me just say the cat tilts its head and then wave its paw. Head to the apps section and in the search bar, search for image animate, and then you'll find this app right here. Click on that, click on open, and here's where you upload the image that you want to animate. Simply click on choose files, upload the image. Then you can describe the video or the animation that you're looking for. Like here, let me just say the cat tilts its head and then wave its paw. So this is the description I've added. After this, you can choose the AI tool that will be used to create the image. These are all the different video models that are available. So you can literally choose any of the video models. Right now, I'm just going to choose Vio, or you can leave it at auto as well. And lastly, you can select the camera movement as well. Whether you want a static camera, you can use different settings like crane up, crane down, tilt, pan around, there is 360 rotation, etc. So choose the video movement accordingly, but I'm just going to stick to static. And lastly, we have got the video settings where you can choose the length of the motion and the number of loops. If you're trying to animate, let's say a logo, then you can loop it and keep the animation length shorter. Now, the most important part is that you'll have to sign into Wimverse, which is what the provider of this animation app is. So click on sign in to generate and it will ask you to connect your account. Now, in case you don't already have account, just choose this continue with Google option. It will let you sign in, and once you do that, it's pretty simple. Your account directly gets connected to this app over here. Now all you need to do is click on the generate button and wait for it to generate the animation video for you. So check out, this is the result. I got the animation of the cat waving and tilting its head as well. So now to add this into your design or canvas, all you need to do is click on add to design and it will be added as a component into your video or whatever you have chosen as your design base. Now all the settings of this are similar to the ones that would apply to an uploaded video. So it's that simple. You can adjust the volume of it, speed, captioning, etc. And that's basically how you animate your images using Canva app. I hope this helped and I'll see you in the next one.